Good morning, everybody. This is a tour of my room at Tropicana in Atlantic City. This is room 6634, a Havana Premium One King room in the Havana Tower. Let me give you a tour around. First, as you come in, you have the door, a notice to the guests, which is in every hotel room. So it tells you that the daily rate of charge could be from $200 to $1,500 for this room. I can't believe that. As always with Tropicana, if you're gonna lock your room, you turn the knob up, close the latch, and it's locked. Now let me take you in the bathroom. On the right, you have a mirror backlit, or frontlit, I should say, with a sink, some towels, extra toilet paper. That's a necessary item sometimes. Your lotions, body lotion, which was pretty good. Conditioner, shampoo, cups for water, some tissues, hair dryer. You have a painting on the wall, or artwork. I don't know, it's a painting. Yeah, it's not a painting. As you close this door, one thing I do have to point out, look at the handles. They do not match color-wise. In the shower, you have a nice shower head. Let me just demonstrate that really fast. Pretty good, huh? Pretty nice shower head. It's got the honeycomb tiles. Honeycomb tiles. You have a seat in the shower. Yes, seat in the shower. I did not use that towel. I used a different one, in case you're asking. Yeah. But, yeah, I was only here for one night, but I used a different towel. Now let me take you into the bedroom after passing the garbage can. Wasn't really in the room much because I got tickets for a concert yesterday. As you come into the closet on your right, as you exit the bathroom, you have a bunch of hangers, a luggage rack, an ironing machine, a safe with no money in it, sadly. You have a big ironing board if you choose to iron your clothes, but I hope not. You're not down here to iron clothes. Then you have this big mirror. It's not full length, but it's big. You have a cup set here, an ice bucket. You have a coffee maker, not a Keurig. These little coffee pods. Don't drink a lot of coffee. What does this say? Oh, Caesar's Eats. You can order food to your room if you want. Here's the light stand as you go towards the bed. There's a drawer here. The Gliddens forgot the Bible again. Darn Borgata, they're the one that started that. No Bible trend. Another painting on the wall. You have your speaker, your fire alarm, sprinkler, the vents up here. And the vents don't look dirty. I'll give props to that. Then you have the mattress here. The mattress is, It's not the one at Harrah's in the Laguna Tower. It's comfortable, but it's not as tall, if you know what I mean. Like some mattresses are 10 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches. This is a smaller thickness mattress, but it's not bad. But it's not great either. You have the 42-inch TV, I believe, tucked into this little panel here. You've got 3 drawers, but I'm gonna open only one. So you can put your clothes in there. Deep drawers, so I like them. But I don't use drawers when I'm here. But then again, most times if I'm here, it's a one-night stay. Sorry if I'm not holding the camera straight. Let me just show you the mini fridge. Thankfully, there's nothing in it. Because I've gone to hotels where there was something in the mini fridge. That means they don't clean. But that's clean. Also, here you have a little note here that just tells you they're doing maintenance on the exterior of the building, caulking, painting, and waterproofing joints. I don't know if that's currently going on, but they said it might be. Next, you have your office chair and office desk, another wall painting, a light here that you push to turn on and off. You have another chair over here and a little end table. And I have something similar like that at home, but it's all a cheaper thing that I got at Walmart, but similar by my bed. Then you have these lights, another light, and I should mention the lights have a plug, a USB port, which is 2 amp max. I'll turn the light on so you can see it. Open that. Here's the other drawer. Nothing in it. Your Tropicana phone tells you the room number, and you know how that works. This temperature control, a really old temperature control, might I add. I'm like, that should have been much more updated when they redid this. And I could be wrong, but the last but not least part of this is the view. So when I checked in at 11 o'clock yesterday, I asked for a high floor and an ocean view. This was the room I had already booked, a premium Havana room. So there was no room type change, but it has an ocean view, not unobstructed. So it's not like an ocean view that you would get at Bally's. See? Not that kind of unobstructed ocean view. And it's got a view of the city, kind of like the other suite I had a few months ago. 2 floors up. Then you got a view of the convention center, the bridge onto the expressway connector, the Sheridan, Harrah's, Borgata. I like my Harrah's, we know that. And yeah, that's about it for this tour here at Tropicana of the Premium King Room. If you like, give a thumbs up. If you don't, sorry. Take care.